What time is it? It's 9:30. Hey guys, it's me, Henry, and today we are going to be lawnmowing. So we are, so we are. It's my my baby brother Billy's christening tomorrow. He's 9 months, but because of COVID, you weren't really allowed to do christening. So his christening is very late because Mary Kate, when COVID wasn't out, it was about 2 months old. She was. So we're gonna get out the lawnmower, and before my dad turns it on, we're gonna have to put the petrol in. Area.
We'll put a bit of oil in too.
Yeah, petrol goes in.
I'll get you some oil. Take the nozzle off that and do everything, and I'll get the oil for you. There we go, 4-stroke engine oil. Let me just double check. Chainsaw oil. Yeah, that's it there. Oh wait, no. Lawnmower engine oil. I don't want this one here.
This is the area it goes on. So that's tie it on.
What's a bit at the bottom you twist, Henry?
Where is it?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
We use this.
And put the nozzle in first, remember? Don't start twisting it. Put the nozzle in first, don't tip it. Yeah, that's it, and then tip it. Lift it out a bit so I can see if there's a wee bit more. Keep going. Keep going.
Is that okay?
No, keep going.
Oh.
Keep it in. A wee bit more. That'll do. Yeah, and then you put the nozzle back on. Always do that. You know, safety first and all that. That's enough. Set it down and put the lid back on the lawnmower one. We'll put the lawnmower lid back on first, Henry.
Yep. Where's the lawnmower lid? There it is. This way?
Yeah, righty tighty. Yeah.
Will we clear it? Will we?
Pass me this one, sure, I'll sort this out later. Pass me that.
It's alright, I'll do it.
Okay, safety first, isn't that right? That's it, that's perfect. Righty tighty.
I'm gonna get me a cup of tea at midnight again.
Yeah.
As I always do.
Yeah. Right, open the oil bit and I'll put in a wee dash. Yeah.
Oil bits here.
Yeah. I'll put in a wee dash. Just a wee dash just to keep things right, you know. Oh.
In case you spill it.
There we go. Right. Gotta look after machinery.
And we actually found 3 dead birds that get kicked out with the sparrows.
That's right, we did that video which people can see, the earlier video. Okay, you take it on around.
Yep.
Do you want to pull it up this way? Actually, it'd be easier if you just pull it backwards. Pull it backwards and Henry onto this. No, pull it backwards. No, Henry. You put it over there and then pull it.
Oh yeah.
Get right underneath it and lift it up. Like bend down your knees and hold. Yeah, that's it. Lift it up. Yeah, that's it. Do the same again for the next step. No, you need to do the same again. Get down low and push it up. Go on, all your strength, pull it up. Get down low and lift it right up. Right, Henry, what you need to do is get down low, bend down your knees, put your hands further down the lawnmower. Put your hands further down the bars. Yeah, and then push it up. No.
Ooh.
Push it up. And pull it.
I can't do
Push it up and pull.
Yeah.
Pull it. Hit your hat, don't be running over your hat.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, just pull it on round.
Are we going to do the video of us doing in the paddock?
We'll see. Just pull it, Henry.
It'll be quite a long video.
Henry. Henry. Just pull it back all the way here. It's easier for someone of your weight and strength to just pull it. Right, tonight we're really going to focus on getting the lines right, aren't you? Straight lines, you know. Make beautiful, beautiful lines.
It's hard to get it across concrete.
Lift it over to the right a bit. Ah, yeah, just put it on the grass.
It's made for grass.
Yeah.
We need a strim there. Is it
Right. Okay. So you're gonna start here,
And
and you're gonna do it. Like, remember, just right along so that you're hugging the edge. Okay. Right. You hold this and that, and you can take a video of me just starting it. Don't press any buttons. So you go up the front here. So you can see me. Ready?
Yep, that's the key.